I couldn't even hold all the stuff I got. This is most of it. This is what I call my BH Cosmetics haul. I really have a problem. Hello, my name is Chanelle, and I have a problem. I definitely have a problem. Look at this. Oh my god. Welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, there's a button. It says subscribe. You need to press it. You need to press it. Just press the button. Subscribe. So today I'm going to be doing a haul video. This is a big, huge box of stuff I got from BH Cosmetics. It just came in today while I was at work. Of course, now it's around midnight and I'm filming. So yeah, it's a haul video. I'm just gonna show you guys what all I got. So I'll start with the brushes because I got 2 palettes and I want to do a couple swatches. So this is a brush set. This is the 11-piece Metal Rose brush set with cosmetic bag. So this was, I believe, $22. But they do usually have sales going on. I got it because it had mostly, I went on there to get eye brushes. So this had mostly eye brushes, if you can see. And I use kabuki brushes for foundation, and I use this kind of brush to set my under eye. So I thought this would be a good set for me. It's $22.99, which, I mean, if you go to MAC, you can't even get one brush for $22, let alone a whole set. So here's the set here. They're actually full-size brushes. They're very big, if you can see. So I meant to take them out of the plastic to show you guys. But yeah, so this is basically it. This is a big, like, powder brush. They're very soft. And like I said, I was mostly interested in the eye brushes. So like here's an angled brush. Here is, I really like these brushes, like the dome brushes for, like, say I want to, like, put a deeper color in here. I could just put it here with a brush like this, you know. And I actually was looking for a brush like that this morning. Of course I couldn't find it. These brushes, I'm going to show you this kind of brush here. I don't know, like, the technical name for it. Probably like a round brush. I always put my glitter on with this brush. Like, dip it in my loose glitter and, you know, put it on my lid. And then this kind of brush, this flat brush, is awesome for, like, foils. Like, if you want to put a foil shadow or, like, a metallic shadow. Metallic and foils are basically the same. And this brush, like I said, is the one I use to, this is actually bigger than my IT Cosmetics brush. This is the one I always use. It's kind of ran through. I always use it to set my under eye. Oh, I guess they're the same size. Okay. But yeah, so this is the BH Cosmetics one. It has like a longer handle. And this is my IT Cosmetics, which, you know, that ain't cheap. Okay. So I do like this with my setting powder under my eyes. I know they call this a foundation brush. I've never ever put foundation on with this brush. I always would use either a stipple brush or something like this. Like, to me, these are good for foundation, which I learned that from MAC years ago. And then here is just a nice fluffy blending brush for your crease, for blending everything out. And this is good for, I usually use this kind of brush for, like, inner corner highlight here, if you can see. And this is good for, like, your brow bone highlight or under your eye, smoking it out, if you can see this here. So this is a flat brush, or you could even use it to pat on, like, a metallic shadow. Okay, so that was the Metal Rose 11-piece brush set, and it comes with the little bag. actually a big bag that you could put everything in. I more so have my brushes in like little, you know, containers where you can stick them so you can see like what brushes are there, but this is actually a good idea to keep it like in the bag. Keep the set in the bag. So the next set of brushes I got is this smoky eye brush set. This one was $9.99. So it comes with 7 pieces. It's a 7-piece brush set. And I mean, $9, like that's so cheap, you know? And it's like free shipping. Well, I think if you spend a certain amount, it's free shipping, but we all know I got free shipping. How I shop. So yeah, I'm just taking these out of the package. So these ones are not as, they're obviously not as metallic as the other ones. They do feel a little lighter, a little cheaper, but I mean, they're still nice. So this one is the one actually I wanted the whole set for. I thought it was smaller, like for eyeshadow, but I think this is more for like a highlighter because it's very big. Like it's huge. Like this is a normal blending brush and this is this one. So you can see it's super big, you know. But yeah, I mean, this is a cool kind of brush. I guess you could do like, if you wanted to really blow out a color, you could really blend it out with this. Or like I said, you could do like a highlighter. Or like sometimes I do like when I'm doing contour, I'll do like a deeper color right in the middle. You could do that with something like this. And this is just a regular, this one is just like a regular blending brush. This one's a smudger, which I use for my bottom line, or you can literally smudge out your liner if you have like a creamy liner on. This one would be amazing to cut the crease or to do like clean up your brows with concealer. This one is one of those round ones that I like to do like a deeper color right in here and then smoke it out with like a bigger, fluffier brush. And this one is one I would use for like my inner corner, or sometimes I use it to highlight like very right here or the tip of my nose or like down here, like precision highlighting. And this one is like the bent eyeliner brush, so it's good for like if you want to use a gel liner, or if you want to use a gel liner in your waterline, or you know, anything you want to use it. You can use brushes for anything, honestly. So this is the Smoky Eye Essential 7-piece brush set. And that one was, I believe, $9.99. This is pretty affordable. I mean, you're getting a sense of how much I spent. But these are the pro brushes, so, you know, supposedly they're better. So they all came in separate boxes like this, but I'm just going to show you the set. Like, this is how I saw it online, how I wanted to buy it. And this one was $7. So this one again is way bigger than I thought. Like, you can't really use this for eyeshadow, if you can see. This is more of like a highlighter, you know, highlighting kind of brush, because this is like way, or maybe under your eye you can set your, you know, put your powder on here. This is way too big for eyeshadow. Girl, you gonna get a hell of a smoky eye with this one. So so this one though is like a perfect fluffy blending brush. If you see my Valentine's Day video, I was so good with brushes like this, and these are so soft. And this is like obviously the smaller version, so it's like big, medium, small. So honestly, I could have gone with 2 of these and 1 of these instead of this big one, but I mean, like, I'll take it, you know. I'll take it. I mean, I'll take it obviously because I already bought it. Yeah, and I have bought these. I bought these brushes sight unseen. I had only like heard good things about them, but I had never used them before. So I also got this little set free. This is the Sculpt and Blend Mini 3 2-piece set. 2-piece ensemble. So this one is like, I guess you cut your contour or do your contour your nose with this one. I'm not sure. And this one looks like maybe a highlight brush, but so these are small. So if you can see, they're minis. So they're very small, but they're fat. I like them. They're cute. So yeah, so this was free with the order. I used some kind of code with it. So I also got this Perfecting Primer Multitasking Primer Stick. Now this is so small, if I could show you. It's so small, but I got it because Smashbox had a priming stick, and I was like so curious about it. It was like $38. I'm just like, I know. Okay, it goes down. I was like, if it goes up, it doesn't go down, I'm gonna be pissed. Okay, so this is the kind of primer. So I'll try it out and see how I like it. But this one was in the color medium. I think there's a fair one. I think there's fair and then medium. So it looks kind of like a color corrector plus a primer. So so we'll see. We'll see. And this was $11.99. So that I think that was one of the more pricier items I got, you know, because I got a whole brush set for like $10, you know. This was like $2.25. It's a concealer, little concealer wheel here. And I wasn't going to get it, but then I was like, it's $2. Like, I spent $2 on way less, you know. So this is just like a concealer wheel. So it could like kind of highlight, color correct, contour. I just wanted to try it out to see, because you know, you don't always want to be using your Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Now, this I love powder contour. Speaking of Anastasia, I love that powder contour kit in Tan and Deep, but I feel like sometimes it's not deep enough, you know? So I wanted to get this one, thinking that it would be deeper, but apparently there's one that's deeper than this, because this is like a little bit more fair to medium, I guess. So, I mean, it was like, I think, $8 or $9. This is the deepest color. So actually it is pretty deep on me. Should we try it on and see? No, it's kind of late. And this is, okay, so this one would be very light on me. So these are the 3 deepest shades. This one, and this one. And this would be, I guess, more of a highlight shade for me. And these all would be highlight shades. So, I mean, I'll keep it. It's decent. It was like $8, I think. So, I'll try it out and see. But I was meaning to get the darker one. So, there are darker shades than this, apparently. And last but not least, I got this Blusher Neutrals palette. And I honestly, it sounds so obnoxious, but I bought the palette literally for this one color here. I was like, I need that color in my life. I don't have any eyeshadows with that color, that are that color, so I don't think I do. So yeah, so let's take a look at it. And this was, I think, $14, maybe? I think it's $14, regular price. So it's 26 colors. So this is what it looks like here. Okay. So we're going to swatch the color that I bought it for, this one. So, oh wow, that is not eyes. Let's see here. Oh. Boo, that's kind of lackluster. Hold on. Let me swatch this again. Oh, see, everyone raves about these shadows, but it's kind of lackluster to me. I mean, I'm sure it'll look nice, but whatever. I don't know. And these are just like a bunch of warm tones. I really like this color down here for a blush. So let's see. This is it here. And let's see here. Oh, okay, that one looks better. This one's a nice kind of peachy color right here. So we'll try this one. We will try this one. Okay, that one looks better. I like peach colors on me, so alright. I mean, it's decent. That's alright. I'll see how they blend out and everything. But this is the 26 Blush Neutrals Color Eyeshadow and Blush Palette. And actually, let's swatch a metallic. They're not, actually, they all seem kind of matte looking. Like this one, I guess is supposed to be a metallic, but it's like not that metallic-y. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, I guess it looks deceiving in the pan. Alright, so I'm going to try this out. Maybe I'll wear it tomorrow. Oh no, actually I don't know about tomorrow. I'll wear it one day and try it out and see. So that was my BH Cosmetics haul. You guys let me know in the comments if you've ever bought anything from them. The shipping was like, it took like maybe like a week and a half or something to come. Which was actually quicker than I thought because my Juvia's Place order took a lot longer than that. Okay. But yeah, so I guess it's from Hollywood, California, so it's like in the US. And yeah, I really like the brushes. They seem like they're pretty good quality. I'm gonna have to play with them and see how they blend the eyeshadow out and how they apply on the face. And this palette, I mean, I'm kind of disappointed, just because, like, that one color, I was like, I mean, actually, like, it doesn't look bad, it's just, I don't know, it doesn't look bad, like, it does not look bad by any means, like, I'm blending it out, and it's still very it's pigmented and it's affordable. So I'm not going to complain about it because it's pigmented and it's affordable. So, so yeah, sound off in the comment section. Let me know if you've ever gotten anything from BH Cosmetics or if you're going to try anything from them. So I'll put down a list of all the stuff that I got. So, you know, in case you want to check it out, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can follow my makeup addiction. Bye.